Hi, I'm Cheryl Fitzgerald with Callaway, Henderson, Sotheby's International Realty. I'm here today at 261 Moore Street in Princeton, New Jersey, and I am bringing you this 3-bedroom, 3-bath, lovely little cottage, and it is situated on one of the most sought-after streets in Princeton, Moore Street. It is beautiful, known for its diverse architecture and lovely mature trees. It's one to absolutely stop by and take a look at. Let's go inside. So this house's landscaping has been beautifully maintained and updated. It has a gorgeous rose bed here and a lovely Japanese maple out front. So the first thing you notice when you walk in, here's a coat closet, but is that the house has some beautiful light. It's situated well on the lot and really takes advantage of all the light. Now, when I say this has a great location, it is really right in the middle of the three of the schools. You're right in your community park elementary school, you're walking distance to the middle school, and you're so close to the high school that the backyard abuts the athletic field. So this is really, ideal location. Got great moldings at the top there. So off of this room, you have your first bedroom and bathroom. If you are somebody who loves terracotta tiles, as I do, they are coming back in style. Don't let anybody tell you different. They are right on trend. We have them here. This bedroom is right now being used for Peloton athletic workout room. Somebody's very lucky. Been keeping in shape during COVID. It's a nice little bedroom and it has a gorgeous view of the backyard, which is so well maintained. They've recently updated it and it just looks lovely. And then into the kitchen. Now this is, again, with the terracotta floors. Yes, please, they're timeless. Okay, so we have this little kitchen here. Could be used as a wet bar, because as you continue in, look at the gorgeous light again from those French doors. You have a big, full, expanded kitchen here with exposed rafters. Look at that, it's a great ceiling fan. Really gives you that eat-in layout that everybody's really looking for. You've got some bar stools here. And then there's a built-in office. So important to have office space these days. And then some more beautiful tile work on the backsplash there. Really unique. Really sets off, I think, the terracotta floors and gives you that charm. And again, let's take a look at this beautiful backyard. You have some hydrangeas growing there. That's a southern magnolia. It's really set up for entertaining. All the stonework out there really gives you that patio, and then there's plenty of grass space as well. Here's the second bedroom. Has a lovely blush color on the walls. And it has double closets. So you could do one for summer, spring, one for winter, fall, or do one for work and one for play. And then if we come across the hall, in its own little space off the front of the house is the main bedroom. It is really quite spacious at 17 by 15 feet. Has plenty of room for a sitting area and its own super cozy fireplace, and then onto its own ensuite. This newly updated space has a stall shower here, granite countertops at the sink, plenty of storage, and a walk-in closet. I did just want to take a moment to walk you into this garden because it is just so super charming with this patio here. Plenty of space for your grill. Gorgeous plantings. Now it is the fall, so all the leaves are down pretty much, but you can imagine this gorgeous little hideaway right off the fields, the athletic fields of Princeton High School. An amazing location. I'm Cheryl Fitzgerald with Callaway, Henderson, Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you so much for joining me here today at 261 Moore Street in Princeton, New Jersey. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath house is on the market for $879,000. And I gotta tell you, the location is prime. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My number is 818-321-7821. Thanks so much.